How to verify bank account on Payoneer. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Payoneer account, then go to the section of bank accounts at the left hand side panel. After that, add your bank. And now when you are adding your bank, the Payoneer will send two different deposits to your bank account. These are some small deposits and you have to wait for some days in order to get these deposits. After you get these deposits, you will be able to come on Payoneer and go to the bank section, and over there just type the amount that you just received from Payoneer on your bank account, and this way you would be able to verify. So just type the amount that you received in your bank account from Payoneer on Payoneer, and this way just verify it. And if you are typing in the correct amount, then Payoneer will verify you. In some cases, Payoneer might also ask for different documents, and you just have to upload those documents in order to get verified. And this way you would be able to verify, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.